Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I'm going to walk down Mango Avenue and point out a few entertainment places and bars along the way. This is the formerly El Gecko, is now Howling Dog. Michael runs a pretty nice place up here. Sports bar, I think they got bands some nights. I'm going to mention Ned Kelly's used to be Billy's up on Escario Street. They're not on Mango, but they're up on a very busy Escario Street, not very far from Ayala Mall. And you can check, that's their 9-2 North Escario Street is their address. Big Billy's sign still out front. The other day when I was up there, met a friend, but you can check them out, and they've got some information on Facebook. They've got met a couple of guys from JRC Visa Consultancy up there. They're pool players, billiards players, and I think they have a regular billiards tournament up there, so you can make some money if you are in that game.
Yo, Dudley. Hi.
Say hello to the world.
Hello to the world. Say hi to his vlog.
Hi! Hi to your vlog! I know you're vlogging. You're a vlogger. Hi! What's the name of your vlog?
Amazing Philippines.
Hi! Makita na dun sa TV.
We're at
Hi.
Billy's, Ned Kelly's on Escario Street. Back to Mango Avenue. You got Viking Bar there. That's a bikini bar. There used to be a couple more right along here. They're closed. Lots of bikini bars have closed down during these last 2+ years of travel restrictions. And don't know what's going to happen to these buildings along here. If they're going to open up, somebody's going to buy them. Lease them, open up additional bars. The Philly is down there across the street on the right. Used to be All Stars Sports Bar. Sisters Bar here is
Bikini Bar, I think.
Bikini Bar.
Hello.
They are open. Bamboozers up here on the left. And they've got girls to entertain you, girls to chat with. So you've got options, various types of. You got a couple neighborhood type bars. And you've got bikini bars, and you've got bars with bar girls. Philly Bar right across the street over there. I've done a video in there. I was there at their grand opening, a year or so ago, something like that. Very colorful decor. And they've got, I think they have a disc jockey a lot of nights, not absolutely positive. Each one of these, you can check out their websites or their Facebook pages, media pages to get additional information. Cubana is a place down here. They got music every night, I think.
Hello.
Just
Live band, yeah, every night.
yeah, every night.
Every night, yeah. I
Every
need to go.
night.
I need to go
Yeah.
meet my girlfriend.
What? Yeah. This one?
No. She says she told me you're home late,
Ah, okay.
so I need to go see my girlfriend.
Okay.
All right.
All of these places serve various types of food, so that's an option. You've got a number of food places, a lot of Filipino food places up and down the streets as well. Across the street was a big grocery store called Fuda to the right, and they closed all of their locations in the last year. They just could not survive under all the restrictions, I guess. And this place to the left, I think they've closed up. They had going out of sale here for a while. This is Mango Avenue. The official name is General Maxilome Avenue. And we're coming up on this tall, I think that's the tallest building outside of Manila. Horizon 101 condominiums. And I think they got a pool on maybe the 6th floor, 9th floor, something like that. I've done a video in there. I've done a couple videos in there, and I've done dozens of videos of condominiums in Cebu City metropolitan area. as well as other areas of the Philippines. Cost of living videos, travel videos, fun videos, informative videos as much as I can. And anyway, check out my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. That certainly helps to promote the channel. And we're coming up on a place up here. There's a Filipino place to eat across the street. I'm gonna cross over there. More Filipino type food. We're coming up on the Mango Square, what's called Mango Square. It used to be a big entertainment area, and maybe 4 years ago, whatever reason, I had heard that the mayor at the time didn't like the reputation Mango Square was getting, and made it difficult for businesses to renew their licenses. Not sure if that's all the truth or not. That's what I was told. So it's now most of the bars are gone from that area. It's changed quite a bit. You've got some fast food places. As we get up here, I'll point out a few places, but it is not the same Mango Square that it used to be. A couple of discos have opened up recently, I think. Weekends, especially later at night, they'll draw quite a few younger people, primarily. There again, there's Horizon 101, the 2 towers, 52 floors, I think. I'm going to get some attention up here a little bit further. It's very common to be approached by girls and or their agents, pimps, as you wander around this area. Across to the street to the left, they used to have 3 or 4 bars over there, and a number of restaurants.
What?
Good.
A girl. I'm going to see my girlfriend now.
Hello, my friend.
Hello.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see my girlfriend. Yeah. Buffalo Brads, Ayers Lechon.
About 4 years ago, there used to be huge crowds out here, especially on weekends, and going back and forth across the street. And a lot of these, you had a 7-Eleven or a convenience store here anyway, and you had a number of bars that were open. In fact, large bars like right here. Oh, I forget the name of the place, but played some pretty good music, and you could sit and you could watch everything going on out here. But it's changed a lot. You know, you've got food places, and you've got some kind of specials, like Korean food. Yeah, over there across the street. My understanding, they're going to tear all that down and build a condominium over there. That's what a security guy told me. So the bars over there will be gone, and looks like the businesses that were there, most of them are closed already, it looks like. Anyway, you had a Irish sports bar up here called Marshall's. You had another bar upstairs, a sports bar. They had billiards. Now this place, this is what draws a lot of people, these unlimited wings and rice. A lot of Filipinos, they'll get in line and wait for a while to get their unlimited rice. There were also, 4 or 5 years ago, several other bars along here. Japanese type bar and a couple other places. Interesting place, and you could meet a lot of people from different countries mingling around, and I really enjoyed it. You got National Bookstore right here on the corner, and if you take a right, that takes you down towards Baseline residences, condominiums. If you take a left, I'm going to cross the street over here. There's a bar down here a little ways on Mango Avenue called Barcode. I'll walk by there and talk to the girls there, and then I'm gonna turn left on Ramos Street right before I get to Fuenteos Mina Circle. Turn on Ramos Street and go down there, and there's a number of massage places down there, a Bo's Coffee, and there's 301 Ramos Bar, which is pretty close to where I live, so it's convenient. And I don't drink a lot, but I like to go out and sometimes I'll meet different people there for something to eat. They've got a good menu, good cook, good menu, good food, and cold beer. So I occasionally go down there. Howling Dog had a Jollibee right across the street from it. Howling Dog also had a big Ni Cristo church right across kitty corner across the street from it. So here we are on the corner here of Mango Square, and right across the street is a Jollibee. So there's not a Jollibee on every corner, maybe every other corner. Very popular here. Now, keep in mind, there are other places with entertainment. There are hotels with entertainment.
Jollibee.
There are resorts with entertainment around the Cebu City metropolitan area. Greenwich Pizza up here. Convenient, popular. Number of hotels. You have Fuente Osmeña, big traffic circle up here ahead of us. We're going to turn left before we hit that, but hotel, casino there. Couple hotels, 2 Robinson's malls on the Fuente Osmeña Circle. You've got Cebu Doctors Hospital and Chunghwa Hospital, very, very close to the circle. Belez Hospital just down the street. On Ramos Street, a number of other hospitals very close. Here we are coming up to the barcode.
Hello. I need to go meet somebody right now. But this is what the.
Nice place. We also offer food, sir.
Huh?
We also offer food.
Food. Okay.
Yeah, maybe you.
But I'm going to meet somebody right now. So
Right here or at the place?
down the street down there, down Ramos. So maybe later. Okay.
Several of these bars have girls working there who, if you want conversation, whatever. If you don't want to be bothered, just let them know. If you want to watch sports or something, but that's an option. It's funny. I asked my girlfriend the other day. I said, "What are the most dangerous places in Cebu City?" And she said, Carbone Market and Mango Avenue. And I said, no, they're not dangerous. Oh, I'm afraid to walk there. If I'm working late, I'm afraid to walk through that area at night. And I said, I basically never had any problem that I haven't been able to deal with. You have to be careful any place in the world, of course, especially later at night, but I feel very, very safe here in the Philippines. This is Ramos Street, and it goes down to Ramos Public Market. It's called Uptown area, this general area up here, Uptown area. You've got some coffee shops, you've got some retail shops, you've got a lot of Filipino type restaurants. You've got a DIY down here on the right, do it yourself, kind of like a small, what would you describe it as? Not a small Walmart, but small, discount place. And they're opening a lot of new places. They're in most of the malls here now. DIY, do it yourself, I believe, and they got some pretty good bargains. I bought a couple hats in those places. And here's
internet access.
Yeah, internet access. They've got a bunch of these places. Work cafes, basically.
DIY.
It's also an area that a lot of kids will hang out in this area, across the street, especially in front of this little strip mall shopping area. Bo's Coffee in here. Always has a pretty good crowd. And these kids know where to go to ask for money, or there's more foreigners hanging out, and you'll get a number of foreigners hanging out at the coffee shop here, I think. There's another
XO KTV bar.
Karaoke bar over there. Some guy approached me and a friend the other day. He said, we have 50 girls in there. If you want to sing with a girl,
Holiday Plaza
I think he said
Hotel.
50 or 15, maybe 15, 1-5. Got Club Ultima there, Club Ultima and Crown Regency Hotel.
Hello.
Tall buildings just to the right there. Animal.
Cebu Veterinary Doctors, Dog and Cat Hospital.
You'll also find dentists if you keep your eyes open. You walk up and down these streets and you've got a dentist almost on every block, it seems. And which reminds me,
Sandia Massage Spa.
I need to see a dentist here pretty quick. You have ABC Hotel down here. I've done a video in there. Like I said, I've done dozens of videos, condominiums, hotels, housing developments. You've got City Suites, or often called Ramos Tower, condominiums down here. I've done videos in there.
Ramos Bar.
And here's 301 Ramos Bar here. Used to be called Timeout Bar.